This is a white vintage table I found. I painted it, and it was very boring, so I decided to paint the top green, and then I added a transfer. This is a magnolia little bouquet, and my theme is celery green cottage. So this will blend in with everything I'm doing for my studio. These are really nice. That you have to take your time though. I'll show you the next time I do one. It's important to lift and check as you go to make sure everything's laying down. Now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to, well, they used to call it antiquing. I don't know what they call it now, but they use something, wax. And this is Johnson's, because that's what I've always used. And it only comes in one color, which is a natural, but I will add some color to it and antique, or put the wax on the top of it and on the side. And I want it to, the top has dried and as they say, cured out. So I'm taking my wax, my Annie Johnson, no, Johnson paste wax, and some stain, and I mixed it together. Just a little bit of stain with my wax according to what color, and there are so many colors of stain now. And then I just put it on, and I've already done the table, but I'll show you. Just put it on with a little brush like that, and then just wipe it off. And if you want it darker, you can add more stain or give it another coat. Now when I get ready to do the bottom, which is white, I will start very light, because as you know, white shows everything, and then add more stain if it's not dark enough. But this table is, table is really starting to take on some personality. I'm going to do just a little on this drawer to show you what I mean about the white. So you get quite a bit of color. So I will take part of this and add it to some wax. Break it down where it's lighter. So you can see the green and of the top with the stain on it. It turned out really nicely. I wouldn't even have to put another sealer on it because of the wax. Sometimes I do, though I put a poly over that also. But I'm really happy with the results.